Good afternoon, everyone. It is Thursday, June the 19th, here at KIT Iizuka. This is third period for English 2C. Let's see, I'm going to move over to my iPad. And on the iPad, I have us over here, not on April 17th, that shouldn't be where we are. We're on June 19th. So let's take a look at what we have to do on June 19th. There are a few assignments, but nothing out of the ordinary except for one thing. First of all, today's warm-up will be, okay, I don't know, today it's a little bit slow, but let's see if I can go back to here. Today's warm-up will be, okay, this is good. Okay, the Quizlet for 7A. So this is one of three sets that we have to do before the final test, which I'll talk about a little bit later. Also, the homework from last week, the answer photos are available for download. Please download these and make sure you study these before the final test. And the last homework that you have to do is due this Sunday at 11 p.m. Write your answers, send them up to the assignment, and that'll be due for Sunday. You also have a listening quiz that will be due on June 29th. And as always, you have a reflection. This video is a little bit longer. It's about 20 minutes or so, but basically still write your ideas on what you thought was important. Write them, okay, don't type them, write them, and send the picture up to the assignment. Now, the one new assignment that I want you to do is my semester survey. The university has your own survey that's basically for everyone, but this is something that I made, so this is only for me. This is only for me. There are only two questions. There are only two questions on here. So if you take a look at this, okay, and I show you the preview. These questions are in English and Japanese, so they're very easy to understand. And I want you to give your honest answer. So I cannot see your names. I don't know who answered what. I don't know who wrote what, when. I have no idea. I only see the answer, okay? And yes, okay, it's an English class, and I want you to write in English, but if you want to write in Japanese because it helps you really express what you're really thinking, then yeah, I'll accept this time the answers in Japanese because I want to get your honest answer. So if you want to write in English, please, I'd like that. If you want to write in Japanese because it helps you explain more of what you're thinking, Japanese is okay this time, okay? Now, the only other thing that I want to show you is after today, after today, which is June 19th, okay, we only have 1, 2, 3. After today, well, okay, with today, because we only just started, there are only 4 classes until we go back to tests. We have 2 tests, one on July 17th and one on July 31st. The Moodle test, the final Moodle test is very similar to the midterm test, just covers a lot more information. And June 19th, the 26th, July 3rd, and July 10th, I want to show you more about how to do conversation in a way that doesn't use any paper or doesn't use a lot of special grammar, just the skills you already have. That will be the conversation test. So as we go through the last 4 days, I want you to make sure to be ready for the final test. Also, I took a look yesterday at how you're doing with the reading that you have to do. And I took a look at the reading notes here. And there are only in this class, I think 7 people who have read more than one book. And in total, there are only about 15 people who have read any books. And a few people have read 0 books. So I would really suggest to you that I was telling you back in April, you have to read 1 book a week, or it's going to become very, very difficult here in the last part of the semester. Now you have to read 2, 3 books a week. Oh, if you don't start reading now, you're going to be at the point where you have to read 5 books a week, which is just going to be too hard. So help yourself, start reading now, send in your reading reports, and don't forget to do the quizzes as well too, because the university wants me to tell you to do a lot of reading this semester. Okay, if you ever have any questions, please contact me at my email, jdmcruz@gmail.com. Otherwise, come talk to me in class. Let's all have a good class, everyone.